Do you know that Chhath Puja was performed by Sita Ma and Draupadi too? Or that it is dedicated to the sun and his sister Chhati Maiya? Yes, this festival goes back to ancient India and is a significant festival celebrated primarily in Bihar, Jharkhand, and Uttar Pradesh. Let's go into the history, significance, and mythological stories that make Chhath Puja a cherished occasion. The mythological story of King Priyavrata. One of the most interesting legends associated with Chhath Puja is that of King Priyavrata. He was deeply saddened by his inability to have children. In his sadness, he approached sage Kashyapa for guidance. The sage advised him to perform a Putreshti Geeng to seek divine blessings for offspring. During this Geeng, a special sweet dish known as kheer was prepared as an offering. The queen, Malini, consumed this kheer and soon became pregnant. However, tragedy struck when she gave birth to a stillborn child. King Priyavrata went to the cremation ground with the body of his son and, overwhelmed with grief, was about to give up his life when suddenly Devi Shashti, the mental daughter of Brahma, appeared before him. The goddess said to the king, "I have emerged from the sixth part of the original nature of creation, so my name is Shashti. You should worship me and spread awareness about this." At the request of Devi Shashti, King Priyavrata performed her worship on the sixth day of the Shukla Paksha in Kartik month with proper rituals. By the grace of the goddess, he soon received a healthy son. After regaining his son, the king informed the townspeople about the glory of Devi Shashti. Since then, the worship of Devi Shashti and the observance of her vow began. Historical significance. Chhath Puja can be traced back to ancient times, with references found in various stories. One prominent tale involves Sita Ma. After her return to Ayodhya with Lord Rama, she observed a fast on this day to thank Surya for his blessings. In another tale, Draupadi performed this puja to seek blessings for her family during their exile. These stories highlight the festival's deep-rooted significance in Hindu culture. What is Chhath Puja? Chhath Puja is celebrated on the sixth day of the waxing phase of the moon in the month of Kartik. This year, it begins on November 5th with the Nahai Khai ritual and culminates on November 8th with the morning Arghya. The festival lasts for 4 days and involves various rituals that express gratitude to the sun god for health, prosperity, and well-being. Rituals of Chhath Puja. The festival is marked by several important rituals. Nahai Khai. The first day involves taking a holy bath and preparing traditional dishes. Kharna. On the second day, devotees fast until evening and prepare offerings like kheer. Sanja Arghya. The third day includes offering Arghya, water, to the setting sun. Pratah Arghya. Finally, on the fourth day, devotees offer Arghya to the rising sun at dawn. These rituals not only express gratitude but also symbolize purification and renewal. Conclusion. Chhath Puja is more than just a festival. It is a celebration of familial bonds, gratitude towards nature, and devotion to the sun god. As we observe this auspicious occasion, let us remember its teachings about faith, perseverance, and appreciation for life's blessings. Thank you for joining us in exploring the beautiful traditions of Chhath Puja. May this festival bring joy and prosperity to all.